Say, look at my head control. Huh. Lift it up. Are you exhausted? Are you exhausted? You're doing really good last night. Hmm? Say hi. Well, you give up. Trying to eat it. There you go. There you go. Look at that. Damn, 8 whole weeks old. And the strongest neck ever. Good baby. Good baby. Hi. Good job, Dill. You want to start crawling pretty soon? I'm not quite ready for that. Holy moly. Good boy. Yeah. Okay, I'll flip you over.